When selecting a dual fuel commercial style professional series range, you really need to look at a couple different factors. One, what type of burner configuration are you looking for? So if you're doing a 36, 48, even 60, you want to figure out, okay, do you want all burners? Do you want a griddle? Do you want a grill? Do you want the location of the grill and griddle to be somewhere else? A lot of manufacturers will move this over one spot and give you 6 burners, 2 on this side, grill or griddle, and then a bank of 4 burners. So you'd have to think about optimally how you want your surface burners to be laid out. Then you need to think, okay, what am I looking for in terms of oven capacity? So again, this is a 48-inch. This is a GE monogram. A lot of our manufacturers are going to have roll-out racks. Now with GE, this is a self-cleaning oven. Their racks can stay in the oven. So a lot of manufacturers are not going to have this porcelainized finish on their racks. So their racks need to be pulled out of the oven. It's just an extra step, but you're going to need to do that. Otherwise, you're going to damage your rollout racks. So when looking for a dual fuel range, you're going to want to look at burner configuration, rack and oven size, and really the next, if not one of the most important, is how it looks and what really that look is. You know, this is a commercial look that I think is softened a little bit just because of the brass accents and because of the black design being brought all the way through to the smaller oven. So GE on this monogram piece has done a very, very good job. So those are the factors that I feel you should look at when looking for a dual fuel range.